Marhaba everyone, let me show you a beautiful small waterfall in Yalova Termal area. Yalova is basically located 1.5 hours by road from Istanbul and 45 minutes by ferry boat from Istanbul if you take it from Yenikape. In Yalova there is a district called Termal. Termal is basically a place where you can find hot natural spring water all around the year, so you can go in winter also. You will find swimming pools and saunas with hot water. And basically this place, Yalova Alabalik şelale, is near Termal, like 1 or 2 kilometers far from the center of Termal. Yalova Alabalik şelale. Şelale means a waterfall, is a good place to visit in summer. We went in the winter months and basically there was no one in the early morning, but in the summer months there are a lot of people visiting this place. It has small restaurants and cafes and a lot of good green area in the mountains.